Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yao ya hamwe, Athikabu a kanitha wa Gatoreki iburi-inĩ rĩa KCCB mamũrĩkĩte maũndũ kĩhĩri marĩa marathiĩ na mbere bũrũri-inĩ, ũmwe wamo arĩ ciĩko cia ateti kũrumana na gũtambia rũmena.
We are disappointed and embarrassed over the recently grossly indecent public utterances of our national leaders and those in the opposition. This is totally unacceptable. In so doing, the leaders disrespect the Kenyans themselves. Respect for one another is mutual and goes beyond political affiliation and must never be devalued to shameful show of insults.
Mathiĩte na mbere gũkũmithia mũtugo ũrĩa ũroneka gũthiĩ na mbere kwĩyenjera wa ũhũthĩri wa nyanake gũthoga thayũ, makiuga ũrĩa nyanake cireka maũndũ nĩ ũndũ ũronania irĩ na ũgitĩri wa gĩoko kĩnene.
The proliferation of the culture of goons used to intimidate, bring disruptions in meetings, and even kill can only thrive if it is sponsored and protected by powerful individuals. These goons work for their paymasters, who can easily be identified by our criminal investigators. Moreover, it is happening in the sight of those in charge of security in our country and even our law enforcers.
They seem to be moving around the country with impunity. People can't just move around killing others, threatening others, doing what they want in public forums, and the agencies in charge of security are watching as if nothing is happening. It is concerning us, and we are asking questions: who could really be behind these goons?
No makũmithĩtie ciĩko cia ungumania makĩũria Kenya kwaga kũiganĩra na mĩtugo ĩno ĩrĩa yeyenjeire thĩinĩ na nja ya thirikari.
We call upon all Kenyans that we must break the chains of corruption. We must continue to act at the level of citizens and Christians so that theft, lies, dishonesty, bribery remain clearly as ugly and evil actions. At the level of government, this leads to cartels, culture of kickbacks, siphoning of public funds, and stealing of public land.
Hamwe na maũndũ maya, Athikabu aya nĩ morĩtie mũingĩ wa bũrũri kũiga wĩtĩkio wa maũndũ kwagĩra na bũrũri kũrũgama igũrũ rĩa maworu marĩa marathiĩ na mbere. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.
Asante.